Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's. If you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action. Speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have go inside the description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and and we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yeah, so Fray, well, I thought that, we have heard everything about this man. When you're going to hear a whole different background about Fray, in which when Fray owned the sea and the East Coast, every cocaine found on the sea was his, and Arabongos make sure that every fisherman never violates. When Arabongos, Arabongos is a station down there. So Fray's, the untold secrets of Fray's empire in Portland, a former detective speak out, so another copper speak out. So we applaud all of these police officers, them afraid to talk, them come out and tell you things, because Fray was protected by the upper echelon of the police force, politics, even from all the way back from the PMP government. So you thought you knew about Fray's operation in the streets of Portland, but buckle up, because what you're about to hear goes beyond anything you have imagined. This is raw, unfiltered truth, straight from the mouth of a former detective, someone who grew up in the very heart of Portland and who witnessed the sinister dealings of Fray and his infamous crew firsthand. For years, Fray operated under the radar, building an empire not only control the streets of Portland, but spread like a dark shadow across the entire island. Behind the facade of a small-time hustler was a calculated mastermind. And he didn't do it alone. Enter Arabongos as a former police officer, a name, that's a Harry Daly, a name that sent chills down the spines of anyone who crossed paths with him. Yeah, so Arabongos was one of Fray, right-hand man. A name, you understand. This wasn't just a henchman. He was Fray's right-hand man and enforcer who made sure every dirty deeds went down without a hitch. But that's not all. Picture this. The infamous twin, the Pinks, them you're going to hear about them too. Silent, deadly, and as loyal to Fray as blood could get. They weren't just ordinary street thugs. These men were Fray's personal drug couriers, trusted with the most crucial operations. Their job, to transport illicit goods on the cruise ships through ports and into international waters. They were the quiet operators working under the radar, ensuring that Frauster's business never hit a snag. If the authorities had any clue about their movements, it was always too late. But here's where the story takes a shocking turn. The former detective hailing from Portland offers a chilling glimpse into the inner workings of this criminal empire. You have all police got a prison for 40, or Inspector named Williams, and the man get, hey, me I tell you about criminality rampant in Jamaica, you know. All a man got a prison and get license gun, and decent people cannot get it. That's one of the reasons, that's one of my problems I have right now with FLA. You understand? But we soon deal with that. We just wait until certain time. This is no ordinary account. This is an insider expose of how Fray run his operation like a kingpin, with a network of loyal soldiers who executed his orders with ruthless precision. We are talking about a man who controls not just drugs, but the very flow of power in Portland, from payoffs to protect the operation to manipulation of law enforcement. Frauster's influence was felt everywhere. The former detective, having witnessed these transactions firsthand, opened the floodgates on the dark underworld that's been operating just out of sight. And now the so-called authorities were either too afraid or too complicit to bring them down. So hold tight, because this isn't your typical tale of crime. This is a deep dive into the world of Fray, his deadly partner in crime, and the criminal network that ran like a well-oiled machine under the cover of darkness. The secrets revealed here are bound to leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about Portland's criminal underworld. Get ready. The truth is darker and more dangerous than you ever imagined. So we'll break this series in our 3-part series with this all police. Yeah man, this is part 1, because everything, you know, data is king. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. This is part 1.
Yeah, I watched a live yesterday, but this is some point where the brother put in, the ex-member put in.
Yeah.
In the kind of bit off, but a same place not the area me forward from.
Yeah, and above there.
So, yeah, so me know the whole 100.
Oh, you know the twin them, the pink them and them thing there.
Yeah, Alton and Eddie Pink. Alton Pink and Eddie Pink, them Titchfield old boy. Them older brother when him Fitzy Pink.
Yeah.
He was the real man. But the older brother Fitzy get killed.
Who killed him?
Then kill him a fire and put him in a some barrel or something like that.
Same drugs business.
So, yeah man, so the Pink then they end up with a bag of money. And the man they come down and buy a new car and crash in a light post and thing, you know, and the man there was the man, the flossing here and them started. So they kind of beat up there. So Williams, we must say right now, Williams was an inspector of police.
Yeah.
He was an inspector of police. Them kick him out of the force, kind of end up with some time of prison too, because then they catch him and come down from foreign with a certain amount of money where he couldn't declare for the same fraud.
Which year that?
About 2001. That I went time fraud to build up the gas station above the supermarket above the BDR.
Yeah.
The Shoppers Pride food store. Yeah man.
So then the whole Williams are come from foreign.
Yeah man. In the end of the time for it. In the lose all the license going and everything. In just get it back. In
the time at Jamaica prison? Or up here?
No, I think over here.
So how him get back license gun? I saw the system come, how him go to prison up here and them thing then. Yeah.
And he get it back in 2017 because you know sitting there when I range out that same place in a B. And he was one of the instructors out there.
Really? A convicted criminal teach you to use gun.
He was one of the range instructors out there.
So you see
in mind, the thing there about the gas station, when I say Fray gas station, the gas station right now the square in here, Williams Technical Service. Willie was the one who he was the face behind it because they don't know say that the man they name dirty, so them can't use him name and treat him as a member of police, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Williams Texaco gas station. Even to date, it named Williams Texaco gas station.
But really Fraudster gas station.
Yes.
So now,
Because he's the one that licensed to sell gas.
So now that Fraudster did now, how that I work now with him and Fraudster family.
I remember me give the rundown. The man who when time Williams step aside, cause then they kind of push out Williams out of the business. You have a next man when he Fraudster right hand man will run the gas station and thing with him screechy.
Oh, that's a one brown brother?
No, one short one. Richard's in him. Richard's in him name. Him and Richie B come from the same place. He found from business by Brooklyn.
Yeah.
That the man there, him a Fraudster right hand. Him a the real right hand man, because before all of them was in a business, you know, the supermarket them was run it together, but two Fraudster can't read and write, they kind of push him out of the business. But Fraudster usually send him man them go block him own supermarket.
For insurance money.
For insurance money, while him still get the money was stolen.
He was double dip.
Aye. Well, that the man named Screechy. Him a the Fraudster real right hand man. The twin them where we might thought alter and anything. Fitzy Prinker, the older brother, him a the real man.
And them kill him up here.
The older brother Fitzy. Yeah, man. But the man they both the man they make millions and broke again.
Oh, they pick them?
That's what they're asking.
The twin them broke now?
Then have it like before. The older brother, the twin up Eddie still. I think Eddie live in a jar. Alton can't come back after
him got prison?
No, man, rob man, coast man, I have to run him back. The man, they can't come. I'm not deporting it. I self-deport because I know what time it is if he come back, you know. So, the man, they not know where I go back. You know, the whole rundown, man. Even the other youth, the Rose.
Yeah, so why him kill Fraudster? Why him facilitated?
Yeah, there is no honest criminal.
Me know that.
There is no
because Fraudster no help make him make money too.
Alright, because you know saying the gas station where you have, you know, where my run, you know, you have to come down from your grandparents, the man. It is shut down one time, you know, and when it shut down, then they try to push him out. Because then they never want no more, the man and him, but one, the other one up at top never want no more gas station like this, so them alone can make all of the money and like. See him Fraudster. I look out for him because the same roads they go from way back to, you know, because from same father carry weights too, you know, it's a bossy family income from him. If him family name carry weights, so him date from way back. So when time I see him, I'm surprised, you know, to hear say.
Him involved in the killing of Fraudster?
The man, they name get called up. Yeah, man, because the man like this, you know, the man will touch him still, because if the man, here's the man find coke, you know, all when a female, you have to carry go beat.
Who that?
C.M. Dixon.
If you find coke out, that's you have to carry go give Fraudster?
Yeah, man, fisherman find.
How comes? Him say Uncle Clansman alone used to operate them where they over Portmore,
you know? Man, the man they serious, you know, the man they put all them girl them from payroll now, bro. Yeah, man, all like woman them man they put them from payroll, man. The boy they have the man they are normal man, you know, the man they buy a girl a car already, and the girl left you know, for another top money. So you say man go fling fire bomb in the girl house and burn down the girl house. The mother, yeah man, burn down the mother house and the car and everything in the garage. Right around a Fifth Avenue in a Buckfield, the same place. Yeah man.
So what to the girl? What happened to the girl?
You know, so the girl they end up get sick after and dead. After a while, and bring down the family have to run and they end up get sick and dead after.
Well, I'm dangerous.
In the kind of left, in the kind of give up their work after a time because they have a brother. Owie.
Who Fraudster brother?
Yeah, man. Owie was in my account and Owie just run the whole business, the whole operation and shit. But after Owie, they meet an accident and dead because them just say him they involved in the fire bomb in the house and everything. So they meet an accident and dead in 2006. 2006, yeah. Yeah. So he was the accountant. Fraudster never that smart, so it's like him lose when I mean and when time my brother drop out. So he just spend most of the time at watch. Yeah man, I don't know like I tell man, maybe you talk over. Yeah man, All them man they do, I bring down death and destruction. I'm not see Jamaica.
Not true, man.
Yeah, man. Death and destruction.
So the youth shoot Bugsy. Cause me not team ask it, me not team ask the police. Cause me get all them photograph of you to shoot Bugsy, you know.
You see the photograph, you know, but most of them man they, you know, you see, both place a place like this. Most of them.
You see the photo of the youth with the
yeah, me see the photo of the youth. See the photo of the youth. Yeah, me see the photo of the youth.
And him come from Snow Hill.
Yeah.
What them same name?
You know, say me don't know him name though, cause me left down here a long time, you know, but me keep up with the place. Everything we go on at the place, keep it. Then around this every man, me say every drug is around this every man. Man, we get deep scammer of license gun, brother.
Oh, and good people can and this a government here.
Good. Well, no man, me gonna be honest with you, you know. You know, say a PNP government run them license gun there.
No man, something pay criminal because when police.
I gotta be honest with you. Every time Peter Bunting is there in power, they run all of them license gun because the man where they even operate the range. And this a government that come shut down the range and make him lose all the range license they operate. Yeah man, because all part this fucked up thing they are going on. They have a bad boy police when him Trevor Willis go from way back in the day.
Yeah.
Out of him place the range they operate.
And him a criminal.
All of them mix up in the shady. Let me not see man
So what Trevor Willis they know?
Him there on same way man. Him there on same way, him old and all and shaky, but him there on same way.
Right, man, a real criminal to me, man.
Yeah man, me I talk about big guy young man. Big guy bossy big guy young man, the man there. Him there on a pole and same way. Big guy young.
But I don't say him used to sell car and them thing there.
Yeah man, him there work at these and
okay, him know the whole of man them, because when they have bad police,
him don't know the whole of man. I be clear. Quiet now, but tell you this man. The only reason why the crime rate not push up there in a certain way is just because everybody eat food and them belly full. But as soon as all of them gun when they bring in, man start get power.
Yeah, man, ego start take over a man feel say.
Ego is a hell of a thing.
Yeah, man feel say, oh, no man is supposed to talk to him certain way.
The man is supposed to talk to him certain way. The man no more than him and thinking of because the man they could have retired out of the game long time.
Actually, mean still make him dead still though, you know, Friday.
Yo.
And I see.
Overtime in the depend still.
Yeah, man, and I see him thing with beaches too.
Overtime in the depend because that man the depend thing there. Friday is a sell car and them thing there. The man that sell a car and come back on TV back in.
I lie. I saw him.
Yeah, man. Me know what I tell you right now. We definitely go around and thief people car and thief people car parts.
So him sell car.
Yeah, man.
What a man. So him no care how much money him have him couldn't satisfy.
You can't satisfy man. I tell you say the man have money, you know man. The man they have a set of money in the right now the scheme in the scheme. I want to become one call them man. They be you then you.
No man.
Rent place and put them man they in and put them up, you know. So me a big sorry my language, me a big man, me have a man a rent place I put me up, brother. No go some man. But them man they them no secret fame, you know, so you must always take care of them. Must always take care of them. Depend in payroll.
So what you hear upon the street with Damian Rose and the man that when bring in?
Oh, with Rose?
Yeah, the man that when bring in will kill Friday.
They must say him bring in the man them, you know. They must say him bring in the man them. But right now, you see, do your Friday powerful, you see, if certain man they want, so all if a top man involved in a Damian in a Friday knockings.
Yeah.
Damian Rose likely you couldn't pull off. They dead at jail already if man never wanted dead. You see a man funeral, brother. A man live like a king, brother. You see?
No,
they had the funeral a stone dog, man. Nobody not dead them. Nobody not dead. Two of them man they live. Supermarket, the man have the day, the man have a pharmacy on it. A pharmacy on it and him have a gas station. The gas station, this supermarket and Western and money transfer place and thing. Name BDR, Burton, Dixon, and Richard. Right hand man named Richard. right hand man named Richards. That the man they give away prayers.
Oh, Richards.
Yeah, I want the blow.
Then I see him thing them say with, that's why him dead. That's why him dead because me and him never still
Yeah,
like
man,
still
they take
them.
him right to the high school now for to take him Anthony account. Yeah, man, him no numbers like that. But the man is normal, man. The man is mean, you know, for the same Richard said, suit a youth already, you know, run a supermarket. Anyway, supermarket just opening.
Yes, and just like that, we have reached the end of part 1 of this explosive 3-part series. But don't worry, the story isn't over yet. Part 2 drops at the same time tomorrow, and trust me, you won't miss it. For those who want to dive deeper into the full saga and access exclusive content, be sure to join our Patreon squad. And this is where the real insiders go full unfiltered experience. Stay tuned for the next chapter. It's going to hit even harder. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.